So if you're new here, consider subscribing, smash the like button on this video already. Now, your artwork comes to you, and I'm going to show you how you can accomplish a job using extreme color from TKOSALES, and it's only 25 piece minimum now. All right, so I got a hoodie over here. I'm going to grab one of these baby right here, and we're going to jump over to the heat press, the only equipment you need to scale your t-shirt business today. So I'm going to load up my garment, making sure my garment is nice and straight. Give it a nice pre-press, okay? Check out the size, boom. Get a quick center mark there, all right? Now you got a center mark there. You're gonna lay your hoodie back down. You're gonna take your transfer, your extreme color transfer here from TKOSALES. You see, your transfers get digitally printed on the front, and then it gets screen printed on the back of it for more durability, for that color to pop over there like that. All right, so now we're gonna take this transfer, we're gonna lay it over here, okay? If it's in the spot that you desire, you just close this thing here at 325 degrees, anywhere from 300 to 325. You can press this thing for 7 seconds. I have mine at 330, and I'm pressing for 10 seconds for a little bit more durability. All right, so once it comes up, you're just gonna peel this thing right off like that. All right, and just like that, paper is clean, garment is completed, and you're on your way to scaling your business now to 6 figures and beyond. Make sure you use the links down below in this video to get you over to TKO so they can start helping you scale your t-shirt business faster than anybody else.